Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a foundation that promises a flawless second skin finish, the Glow Skin Beauty Pressed Base Powder Foundation in Honey Light. If you're looking for weightless, buildable coverage with skincare benefits, this one might be on your radar. But does it live up to the claims? Let's find out. This is an award-winning pressed powder foundation designed for flexible, long-wearing coverage. It's packed with triple milled minerals for a smooth, blendable application and includes green tea plus vitamins C and E to provide environmental protection against free radical damage. It's also talc-free, making it a great choice for those who prefer cleaner formulations. The finish is described as semi-matte, offering enough glow to look natural without unwanted shine. It's meant for all skin types, including sensitive and post-treatment skin. Now, let's talk about real-world use. Application is smooth and lightweight, and the triple milled formula does make a difference. It's noticeably finer than many drugstore powder foundations. A dense brush or sponge gives fuller coverage, while a fluffy brush offers a lighter, more natural look. The buildability is a standout feature. You can layer without it looking cakey or powdery. It's also forgiving on texture, meaning it won't cling to dry patches as much as some other powders. Longevity-wise, it holds up well for most of the day, though oily skin types might need a touch-up after several hours. So let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the finish is beautiful, natural yet perfected. The skincare ingredients add a bonus layer of protection, and it's versatile enough for light to full coverage. It also avoids common pressed powder pitfalls, like looking heavy or emphasizing dryness. However, if you have very oily skin, you may need a mattifying primer or blotting powder for extended wear. The shade range could also be more extensive, especially for deeper skin tones. Is this review helpful? If so, give it a like, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit the bell icon so fellow beauty lovers can find it too. Now let's talk value. The formula feels high-end, and the triple milled texture sets it apart from standard pressed powders. It's more of an investment than drugstore options, but if you want a mineral-based powder that looks and feels luxe, it justifies the price. Compared to similar products, this one competes with prestige mineral powders like Bare Minerals' Original Pressed Foundation, but with a smoother finish and better buildability. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Talc-Free Pressed Powder offers a similar clean formula at a lower price, though it's not as finely milled. Build quality-wise, the compact is sturdy and travel-friendly. The formula itself is well milled and doesn't create excessive fallout, making it easy to control during application. Final verdict? If you want a pressed powder that blends skincare with makeup, the Glow Skin Beauty Pressed Base delivers on its claims. It's lightweight, customizable, and flattering on a variety of skin types. While it's not the best for extreme oil control, its skin-nourishing ingredients and natural finish make it a solid choice for those who prefer a mineral-based foundation. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. The link to grab this product is in the comments. If you've tried it, let me know your thoughts below. And until next time, stay flawless, stay radiant, and keep that beauty glowing.